In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Call of Duty Black Ops 3 offline version. Right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder user maps and then press enter. Check my video description for this Steam Workshop download link. Choose the map you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Under Death Rising 2 map. Select the map you want and scroll down, select the share and copy the link, and then check my video description for the Steam Workshop downloader. Paste the link in here. Select the yes option and select click here to copy. Once you copied, check my video description for this Steam CMD download link. Scroll down, select this link and download the Steam CMD. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extractor folder and right click on the Steam CMD and select Run as Administrator and select Yes option. Wait for this update to done. Once the update done, type login anonymous. Press enter. Once this done, paste the workshop ID we copied and press enter. Wait for this download to done. Once the download done, copy this file path. Copy with the Ctrl C and then open up File Explorer and paste the path here and press enter. Find workshop.json. Just right click and select Edit in Notepad. Copy this folder name and then close. Let's go back and back to this folder. I click on this random number and rename, paste the name and then press enter. Open this folder, right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder zone and then press enter. And drop all these files inside this zone. And now go back and in the game folder you need to drop this map. Drop this map folder inside of user maps. Once you done this, you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to zombies. Select change map. The default maps total 14. One has successfully added. Undead Rising, this is the one we added. Select the map and select start game option. And as you can see, the map successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.